Yeah, YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. We're on to box number 3. Let me fix my camera real quick. Alright, box number 3, 2009 Upper Deck Ballpark collection. We're looking for 12 hits, I believe, out of this box. We were talking about it on blog. We want a button card, but we'll see. Here we go. Box number 1. Pack number 1, rather. Mini pack number 1. There's 4 mini packs per box. And here we go. Pack number 1 of Ballpark. This one's not sleeved. Actually, there's a sleeved card in here. Move this over. We have a Carlos Beltran at a $6.99. A lot of duels will be on this. A lot of randoms. I go by logos. Ryan Zimmerman and Josh Fields. Nationals and White Sox at a 400. Dual jersey. Next card will be a Emerging Stars quad swatch. Tigers, Dodgers, Indians, and Yankees. Justin Verlander, Chad Billingsley, Fausto Carmona, and Jabba Chamberlain, numbered at a 400. That's Tigers, Dodgers, Indians, and Yankees. And as always, on a group break, if you have 2 teams, if you have at least 50% of the card, it goes to you. Next will be the... This is the 8 swatch. The 8 swatch, numbered out of 300. On the front, you have David Ortiz for the Red Sox, Ian Kinsler for the Rangers, Hanley Ramirez for the Marlins, and Carlos Delgado for the Mets. And on the back, we have Melvin Mora for the Orioles, Travis Hafner for the Indians, Yunel Escobar for the Braves, and Bill Hall for the Brewers. And that's a 8 swatch. There's the front. And there's the back. Let me put that back in the sleeve. And hold on 1 second, guys. Ah, crap. I can't even see what I'm writing. Alright, I'm doing that after. I had to ban someone, but I'll save that for after. I can't even type. Pack number 2. 2 of 4. 2 of 4. This one feels a lot thicker. It's another one in the plastic. So this will probably be the 6 swatch, I'm assuming. Here we go. On the front, Josh Beckett base at a $5.99 for the Red Sox. Base at a 400 for the Athletics and the Braves. Yunel Escobar for the Braves and Miguel Tejada for the Athletics at a 400. But actually, I made a mistake there. It's Astros and Braves. I always go by the logos, Astros and Braves. Miguel Tejada and Yunel Escobar. But I always go by the logos, not the team jersey. So Astros and Braves. Next card. Ultimate Timelines. Manny Ramirez, David Ortiz, Josh Beckett, and John Lester. And that one will go to the Red Sox. 3 logos for the Red Sox. That one's numbered at a 400. And next will be the 6 swatch. And it'll be... It's a little like... There's a line right over here. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm not sure you can see it. But Miguel Tejada for the Tigers, Kevin Youkilis for the Red Sox, Curtis Granderson for the Tigers. And on the back, we have White Sox, Rockies, and Pirates. Nate McClath for the Pirates, Troy Tulowitzki for the Rockies, and Jermaine Dye for the White Sox. And there's the back. Actually, that's rather the front. And that's the back. So that one will be randomed. All the randoms will most likely be done, if not tonight, tomorrow morning, live on Blog TV. So check out the recorded videos on there if you are in the random. Still no auto yet. Third pack, Jason Giambi out of $6.99 base for the Athletics, and another base at a $6.99 Jeter for the Yankees. Our first hit, it'll be Padres and Red Sox, numbered out of 400, Jake Peavy and John Smoltz. And the Jake Peavy is like dirty. I'm not sure if you can see that. Next card, it is a quad swatch. Will be randomed. Jose Reyes, Manny Ramirez, Ian Kinsler, and Yanel Escobar out of 500. Mets, Marlins, Rangers, and Braves out of 500. Mets, Marlins, Rangers, and Braves. And final card. Wow, nice card. Nice looking card there. Pinstripe for the Twins, not numbered, of Joe Nathan. Game used jersey with pinstripe autograph. Joe Nathan for the Twins. Now we'll go to Crazy Chris. Congrats on that. Final pack. Final pack. So, yeah, let's hope for a button card on here. Braves, Brian McCann at a $5.99 base. Then a base of Tom Glavine at a $6.99. Actually, the other one was $6.99 as well. First hit is a Kerry Wood, Derek Lee, Indians and Cubs. Going by the logo again, guys. Indians and Cubs at a 400 will be randomed. And next card will be a quad swatch. 3 Angels, so it will be going to the Angels. John Lackey for the Angels, Jared Weaver for the Angels, Troy Glass for the Cardinals, and Vladimir Guerrero for the Angels at a 400. He owns more than half the card, so it'll go to him. Let me show that again. Lots of randoming. And the final auto will go to the Braves of Jordan Schaefer, rookie auto, and that one is numbered out of 199 for the Braves. So that's it. Tons of randoming to be done, which will probably be done after the football break. Next up, Sweet Spot. Stay tuned, and GSN Cards is out.